skin like you never even.
Hey beautiful babes, today we are talking about this viral oil mix that everybody has been using for glowing, smoother looking skin. And let me tell you, mature skin loves it because mature skin loves moisture. Now listen, I thought I was really doing something when I brought to you all why I use castor oil, but this is going to top that. Now, if your skin has been looking dry, tired, crepey, or just not as plump as it used to, this little combination right here may become your new favorite nighttime routine. Yes, I said nighttime routine. So today I'm mixing together, and I'm not going to hold you long, castor oil, marula oil, and bakuchiol oil. Yes, ladies, this combo feels luxurious on mature skin. Let me show you how I make it. I'm just reusing some of my older bottles that I had used up oils in, so that saves me a lot of money. Let's put the funnel in here. Taking 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Next, we're taking 1 tablespoon of marula oil. Now, I usually use Clyganic, and what I did was just to make things organized and cute in my oil arsenal. I put it in this little bottle that I got off of Amazon. This is SVA Organics marula oil in here, but I will list these bottles in the description box for you. So, again, 1 tablespoon of marula. And finally, we're going to be taking some bakuchiol oil. We're going to take about 5 to 8 drops of this into the mix. That should be perfect. Now, when you look up bakuchiol oil, it is a little bit pricey for sure, but I will list the one that I have here. Now, let's just give this a mix around here. Now, let's talk about why people are loving this blend. Castor oil helps lock in moisture and gives the skin that rich, nourished look. It's thick, so a little goes a long way. Marula oil is lightweight but deeply hydrating. It helps the skin feel soft, smooth, and silky without feeling greasy. And bakuchiol oil, ladies, that's the star people call the natural alternative to retinol. It helps improve the appearance of fine lines and texture while being gentler on mature skin. Now here's how I use it. At night, after cleansing my face, I apply just a few drops to my cheeks, around my mouth, neck, and forehead. Then I gently press it into the skin. And baby, when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks hydrated, refreshed, and glowing. Now listen, beautiful babes, consistency is key. No oil is going to erase 20 years overnight, but keeping mature skin moisturized and nourished can help your skin look healthier, smoother, and more radiant over time. And one more thing, don't overdo it. A few drops is enough. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Beauty by Sweet Angel for more mature skincare, DIY beauty, and real grown woman glow tips. And remember, we are aging beautifully, not disappearing. I'll see you soon. Bye.